King Piers out here in Kansas City. This was a straightening this column here. It's out about 2 inches, and we're gonna make it vertically level. I've got my A-team out here, and we do this all the time. I was planning on putting a pier underneath the column and tilting it back, but because that would work if there was a gap from the house sitting on the column. If there was a gap there, like the column had sunk and tilted, I could use the king pier to raise and tilt it back. But the house is setting on it. It's just the column has scooted over a little bit, so a king pier won't work. What would happen is we'd end up raising that and not getting as much a tilt on it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to push it back gently, vertically, and then leave all of our temporary supports in there, and then we're going to come back and pour a big thick concrete footing underneath half of what's holding it right now. So stay tuned as we progress here. King Piers, Kansas City, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.